You know, I'm gonna fix this a little bit. This is the sled or the carriage I built to hold spools that are too short to span the log rests on my sawmill. I built it in the last video that I posted. I'll also put it at the end of this video. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drill some holes and I'm gonna run these screws through. They're 1 5/8 inches. And they're just going to come out about 1/8 of an inch through the top of this carriage, which should give the log something to bite onto so it doesn't move. If you watch that other video, if you look, you probably don't got to look that carefully. I haven't watched it on the full screen, but I just watched my playback of it, and it's shifting a lot. So I think having these, I think I'm going to do 6 in each one. And then I'll cut up that other spool and we'll see how it works. Two, three, four. Hope you can see that. try it again.
Okay, well, like I said in the previous video, these Redwood Spools were all checked up. They've been sitting out in the rain and then drying out in the heat and then hitting out in the rain, and they're all cracked. See, watch. Well, there's a big crack down the middle of it, whether it doesn't want to break, but it's going to. But that's okay. I can take small little sections out of this and make little signs or whatever. The CNC is going to be here today. Well, thanks for watching. Coming along, I got a lot of materials ready to go. So once it gets here, it's about installing the program, the Vectric software, and then learning how to use it. And then it's busting them out one at a time. So will you guys come back and learn with me? And I'm going to show it all, my screw-ups. I'm going to show learning how to use the software. So, well, I hope you guys have a great day, and don't forget to subscribe. Till the next video, I'm out.